It's always fun when you're coming down a road thinking you're gonna get to drive right up to where the waterfall is and you find this. So on foot we go. If you're anything like me and you come out here looking for something and you find a dead end like what I showed you, and you think to yourself, maybe if I move a couple of these logs, I can just go right by this and the rest will be smooth sailing. Usually not the case. This is the road. If I had taken the time to move a few logs and tried to get around that first bit, I would be here for years trying to clear this road. So just park and walk. Believe it or not, this used to be a road and is serving as my path to this waterfall that I've never been to. I'm really excited to be able to see it for the first time. I'm not sharing the name of this waterfall, nor am I sharing the location or directions, mostly because of the nature of this hike. There's obviously no real trail, and once I exit this road, we're going to be going into something like that. So I hope you enjoy the video and you enjoy the scenery, as I promise you the effort to get here is no small feat. Coming through that area there, I can hear the river. I know I'm close. I found some blueberries. I did eat some of these the other day and they are good. Very tasty. After descending that, I can see and hear the river, and I still have to navigate down this. So yeah, definitely not a hike I would recommend. I can happily say I made it to the river. There's some Devil's Club in this area. I was able to avoid a lot of it, but if you go the wrong way, good luck. There's a lot. Here's what it looks like going forward. Needless to say, I will not be going down that. Looks like there's a pretty easy way to get around on the side. But what a beautiful sound. I think even in high water, this is all underwater here, which would make this basically an impossible waterfall to get to from the way I'm coming at it. Water levels will be too high, and the brush on the side is it's near vertical. It is near vertical. It sucks. It would be a tough hike. I'll also say, while hiking here, as you can see, the water is very, very clean and clear. And in the sunlight, it's this really pretty blue, clearish color. Amazing. It's very cold. But in the shade, it almost turns the water black and you can't see what you're stepping on. It's a very unusual feeling to be walking in a creek and not be able to see where you're putting your foot. This elusive 200-foot waterfall lost in the Gifford remains untouched, mainly due to the nature of the hike to get here. Beautiful, wild, incredible to see in person. I'm happy I came. I gotta say, this creek is spectacular. That waterfall is nuts. I don't know where this water is coming from, but it's almost 100%. It's got to be glacial. It's so cold, and there's so much water still. Here we are in August, and the waterfall looks massive. I can't even imagine what it looks like in the spring when water levels are much higher than this. It's got to be insane. What a beautiful area. Definitely worth the hike. I did find some Devil's Club. That's always fun. But still, so beautiful. As you can see, this used to be a logging area, but it's been a long time since any vehicles have been down this way. So while the path is not entirely a bushwhack that's going to scratch your arms and your legs really bad, it's walking over these branches and logs is also not very safe. So if you choose to come out here or try and find this place, be very careful. I'd also suggest and say, if you are not very comfortable navigating with a compass or your GPS, probably not a good idea to come out here. As you can see, it's pretty easy to get turned around, and this particular logging road is not on Google Maps, nor is it visible by Google satellite images. So
it ain't on the map. Trust me, it's there.
Not the easiest place to find, but attainable if you know what you're doing, I guess. The sounds here, the birds, it's beautiful. There's these two large birds, I'm assuming they're eagles, playing around chasing each other. Really cool. Even some wild raspberries. From what I understand, bears love these, and the blueberries. Really cool. A ton of them. And we're still walking. I was wondering how this waterfall had so much water in it, so I went upstream a little bit and discovered this area where these two streams or creeks meet and join to become what is later that massive 200-foot waterfall. In a different area now. This is objective 2 for the day. Another natural beauty that I've not seen. There is a waterfall. You can hear it. I have filmed this waterfall before, but that is not the goal for the day. So stay tuned. Right now we're going down that.
Something about me has changed. Something about me has changed. I'm sleeping just fine without you. Didn't know I could. Something about me feels strange. Something is just not the same. I haven't been thinking about you, even when I should. All the lies that you told, I've forgiven. All the fights and whose fault I forgot. I've done all in my power to heal them, all of my scars. I'm getting good at letting go. I'm not there yet, but I know ain't no hope in holding on when I'm happier alone. I'm getting good at letting go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Something about you was off. Something about you was off, but I was too blind to see it. Too in love to know. Oh, somebody told me get lost. Somebody gave a heads up, but I just couldn't believe it. Little did I know. All the lies that you told, I forgot.
That conclude. God dang bird. Doesn't he know I'm trying to talk? the Gifford. A beautiful place. I love coming here. I love exploring, and I love seeing all the things that not that many people get to see. It was a good day. I had 3 objectives to try and see today. I only got the 2. I ran out of time. That water was freezing cold, and I don't mind cold water, but damn. I have really big plans for my next video. It's gonna be probably one of the prettiest things I've ever done, and stay tuned for that one. We'll see you.